Imagine trying to seal off a high-pressure system only to have the gasket fail under extreme heat or chemical exposure. That's where PTFE, better known by its brand name Teflon, comes into play. In this video, we'll break down the relationship between PTFE and Teflon, explore the unique properties that make PTFE gaskets so reliable, and point you toward where to find them. PTFE, or polytetrafluoroethylene, is a fluoroplastic well known for its use in chemical labs and non-stick cookware. A common source of confusion is the relationship between PTFE and Teflon. Teflon is simply the brand name for a type of PTFE, much like Kleenex is to tissues. While PTFE refers to the single material itself, the Teflon brand encompasses PTFE as well as other fluoropolymer materials, such as PFA and FEP. The choice between PTFE and branded Teflon in gasket design depends on factors such as the intended temperature range, required chemical resistance, and budget considerations. The properties of the PTFE gaskets make them highly versatile in demanding environments. PTFE has a wide temperature rating from -400°F to 500°F, with the high melting point of 635°F. It resists most acids, solvents, detergents, and alcohols, which makes it an excellent option for chemically harsh applications. In addition to chemical resistance, PTFE is also known for its electrical insulation capabilities and very low coefficient of friction, which gives it a slick, anti-stick quality. However, PTFE also comes with limitations. It is rigid and non-elastic, meaning it cannot easily return to its original shape, and it can be challenging to process. Despite these drawbacks, PTFE's combination of heat resistance, chemical stability, and electrical properties make it a standout choice for gasket manufacturing. PTFE gaskets are used across industries because of their ability to perform in extreme conditions. They are frequently used in chemically resistant seals such as O-rings, valve stem seals, and fuel hose linings. In high-temperature applications, they can be found in external aircraft fittings and dust collection systems. PTFE's weather resistance makes it useful for solar panel bonding and transportation applications, while its electrical insulation properties make it a go-to material for dielectric insulators, circuit board protection, and as a substitute for polyethylene in high-heat environments. Its anti-stick and chemically inert qualities also make it suitable for specialized chemical processing and coating applications. Finding PTFE depends on whether you want the Teflon brand or a generic version of the material. Branded Teflon is exclusively supplied by DuPont and its authorized distributors, while generic PTFE can be sourced from companies such as 3M, Saint-Gobain Performance Plastics, Acton Technologies, and Adhesive Research. For those looking to create custom PTFE gaskets, it is often more efficient to work with a converter. Converters can help with material selection, design modifications, and production planning, ensuring that the finished gasket meets performance needs while also being cost-effective. If you want to learn more about working with a converter, feel free to visit our learning center to learn more about how a converter can help bring your part to life. Or you can always reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.